All right, guys. Now we're about to get started. First thing first, I'm gonna take out this battery. You know, get this amp out of there. What it look like is, well, we're gonna change the board on it too. You know, I mean, man, this thing holds some good memories. Yeah, the lithium bank still doing good. Not bad at all. So, all right, we'll be back. All right, y'all. I don't know if we ever got a look at it. This is made by this was put together by Jordan. This is the power source, y'all. I mean, from all the stuff, I'm gonna take this off right here, and in fact, nope. It's really stuck. I'm gonna have to get like a knife to pop it off, because we're gonna put it the right way. Then we also gonna put the voltmeter on there too. All right. All right. It's like a size comparison right here. And as you can see, the Taramps is bigger, just like we thought. And I think it has oversized connectors. We're gonna put them to work anyway. You know, over here, I gotta get on to the other side. Over here. It's on a different size of the, but you got the remote over here, and this, speaker wires over here, and the settings over here. Compared to this, everything to this side. But how the way my connection is, this Taramp's gonna be perfect. So we'll be right back. We've been working hard, y'all. All right. Well, as we can see, we got the power wires hooked up. Gonna probably hook up the remote and bring the remote. I mean, not the remote, the output jacks, and put them on. All right, I'm taking my time, y'all. I admit it. It's like we just kicking it and hanging out. Right now, my boy is doing his sound system right now. Just a little bit going on with his. Y'all, just a quick tour of what he's doing. But it's some good stuff, man. Y'all, maybe y'all might get to see it. Maybe y'all won't. Y'all gotta ask me if y'all want to see it, though. I definitely show it for y'all. Yeah, we getting work done. But we doing it at our own pace, though. We not rushing. We ain't got no shows to go to. Still can't get my trunk open. Get it. God darn squirrel. What the hell? But all right, we'll be right back. All right, y'all. This to show you guys what process we made. I don't know if I showed y'all how it looked with the amp in there. So here we go. Okay. Let me see if I can just bag it up. There we go. Hope this stays on now. Just use this, whatever tape it was, but it's not upside down no more. I did turn it the other way. So that's a fix. You know, let me know what you guys think. I'm about to go ahead and hook it on up. All right. All right, y'all. We're here for the first cut on. It's all done. Let's see if I can go back a little bit. Now we can go up. Okay. As we can see it. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. There it is. The blue light on there? Oh, yep. Oh, it's on. She's alive. All right. Let's get it all set it up. You know. See what's gonna happen. Let me find a bass tone and we'll get it all set it up. All right. All right, we back. Now you know everything is finalized. I still got all my junk up in here. You know, all my tools, which I basically take upstairs in a minute. You know, I was a little tired, but there you go. I gotta get a little good look at it. There you go. Like I changed the amp rack a little bit more. So now we got a little bit more space, you know, on the sides and on the, you know, just a little bit more to air it out. You know, I might have to, you know, probably get back there and try to secure it a little bit more, but it looks like it's pretty much secured, you know. But hey, let's check out a demo real quick, man. You know. But hopefully this don't get messed up, but hopefully this do right here. But this is the you know, real nigga summer by Icewear Bizzle. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Real nigga bangsta. Gangsta greasy. Real nigga bangsta. Cash out, what it do?
All right, man. I mean, let me know what you guys think of that. I mean, first of all, I mean, there's tons of more flex, and I'm trying to see if I can smell the subwoofers, but I don't smell them. So I smell brand new amp, it seems, you know. But overall, yeah, we liking it, man. We liking it so far, man. It sounds better. It's giving a little bit more punch. You know what I'm saying? It's more, you know what I'm saying, bass notes, continuations. You know, I mean, we're gonna do some testing on it. We're gonna do some SBL testing on it. You know, other than that, man, you guys, you know, like and subscribe on the video. All right.